Did you know that meditation has been a part of Islamic practice for centuries, with roots tracing back to early Islamic scholars who emphasized mindfulness and reflection? In Islam, meditation is a powerful tool for cultivating inner peace, spiritual growth, and a deeper connection with Allah. By incorporating meditation into our daily routine, we can quiet the mind, soothe the soul, and find solace in the remembrance of our Creator. Regular meditation practice can also lead to a greater sense of calm, clarity, and focus, allowing us to navigate life's challenges with more ease and confidence. To get started with meditation in Islam, there are a few essential things you'll need to prepare. Find a quiet, peaceful space where you can sit comfortably without distractions. A prayer mat can be helpful in maintaining a clean and sacred environment. Most importantly, come with an open heart and mind, willing to let go of distractions and focus on your connection with Allah. Let's break down the step-by-step process of meditating in Islam. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, either on a chair or on the floor with your back straight and your feet planted firmly on the ground. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, feeling your body relax and your mind calm. As you breathe in, focus on the sensation of the air entering your nostrils, and as you breathe out, feel any tension or stress leave your body. Next, begin reciting a dhikr, or a remembrance of Allah, such as Allahu Akbar or Subhanallah. Repeat the phrase slowly and deliberately, focusing on the meaning and the sound of the words. As you recite, feel your heart filling with love, gratitude, and humility before your Creator. Now, bring your attention to your breath, feeling the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. As your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to your breath, without judgment or distraction. As you sit in stillness, feel your connection to Allah growing stronger and your heart filling with peace and tranquility. Creating a conducive environment for meditation is crucial for a successful practice. Consider lighting some candles, playing soothing music, or using aromatherapy to create a calming atmosphere. You can also try meditating at the same time every day, so it becomes a habit and a consistent part of your routine. One of the biggest challenges many of us face when starting a meditation practice is staying focused and overcoming distractions. If your mind starts to wander, don't get discouraged or frustrated. Instead, gently bring your attention back to your breath and remember that it's all part of the process. Start small, even just 5 or 10 minutes a day, and be patient with yourself as you develop your practice. In conclusion, meditating in Islam is a beautiful way to cultivate a deeper connection with Allah and find inner peace. By following these simple steps and making it a regular part of your routine, you can experience the transformative power of meditation for yourself. Don't forget to try out this meditation technique for yourself and share your experiences in the comments below. If you're looking for more spiritual guidance and support, be sure to check out my other videos. Until next time, may Allah bless you and guide you on your spiritual journey.